the Valued Partner Award this evening is an opportunity for us to say thank you to businesses across Wales for the work that they do to support young people in schools. Careers Wales has a remit to bring schools and businesses together, and these employers here tonight have gone out of their way to help young people, and it's our chance, as I say, to thank them for that.
I'm Alison Hurahan from Wynn Construction with my colleague Richard Wynn. We're delighted to have won the Gold Award this evening at the Careers Wales Partners Awards. We obviously work with a number of schools, colleges, primary schools and secondary schools in delivering construction as a potential career for school children and for students as well. So it's a real honour to be here tonight.
I am absolutely delighted to be here tonight to represent Hywel Dda Health Board. We've recently done a pilot of a 14-year-old work experience. We've also just launched our apprenticeship academy, where we had planned to take on 40 healthcare apprentices within our counties. We were so overwhelmed by the amount of people that applied for this, we ended up taking over 50 apprentices, and I can safely say that this is just the beginning for Hywel Dda Health Board.
It's absolutely amazing. We can't thank the guys at Careers Wales enough for the work that they do, enabling us to go into schools and do what we do. Without them, it just wouldn't be possible. So this is a massive honour. We're absolutely over the moon. We've delivered quite a number of workshops within secondary schools, which include tiling, painting, decorating, carpentry, plumbing work, preparing children for the world of work, doing mock interviews, all that sort of stuff, and working with children that have challenging behaviours and issues to deal with. So to be able to act as positive mentors for those children has been an absolute honour.